Hello everyone. In this video we will talk about creating a new document in Microsoft Word 2010. We will also enter some text in the document and will save the document. In order to create a new document, we click on the File tab, which opens a backstage view. From the list of available templates, we select Blank Document. There is a preview of the blank document which appears on the right hand side of the screen. To create the document, click on Create. This opens a document with a small blinking line appearing on the page. This white area is called as the work area. There is another important thing in the application window, which is ruler. To make the ruler visible, we click on View tab and select the View Ruler button. The ruler gives us an idea about the width of the page, its margin and other objects on the screen. Now let's enter some text. Before performing any task or formatting in Word, you should select the text so that whichever effect you are applying or whichever task you are performing is applicable to a particular section of the document. For this, we should know how to select the things in the document. Now let's see how to select a word. We simply double click on the word to select it. Let's select Notebook from here, double click on this and the word is selected. In order to select a sentence, press and hold the Control key on the keyboard and then click on the sentence you want to select. So I will select this sentence. As you can see, from the first word till the full stop, the sentence is selected at a single click. In order to select a paragraph, you can triple click anywhere in the paragraph. Let's try again. So as you can see, the whole paragraph is selected. Well, what is a paragraph in the document? The paragraph is started when you press the Enter key on the keyboard after writing a few set of sentences. For example, after this full stop, when I press the Enter key, a new paragraph starts from here. When we don't press the Enter key and the text reaches the edge of the document, it automatically moves to the next line and this is a new line, not a new paragraph. There are situations where we are not necessarily required to select a word, paragraph or a sentence. We have to do some random selection in order to select any amount of text, that is, which is not exactly a word, not exactly a sentence or a paragraph. We can place the mouse pointer over the first word that we need to select and drag the mouse pointer over the text to be selected. Now we will see how to save a document. Well, we save the document so that we can use it in future whenever there is a need. To save the document, you can click on the Save button in the Quick Access toolbar or click on File and from the Backstage view, click on Save or Save As. So we click on Save As. This opens the Save As dialog box. Now you can choose the location where you want to save the document and by default it goes to the Documents folder of your computer. In the File Name box, you can provide a name of the document. My document. Now see the Save As type. Here you have several options for saving a document. The default one is the Microsoft Office 2007 and later version. If you want to save it in the older format, that is 97 to 2003 MS Office format, then you can select this option. If you want to save the same document as a PDF, you can select PDF from here, and if you want to save it as XPS document, you can save it by selecting this option. Well, XPS document is opened with the help of XPS Viewer provided by Microsoft. The PDF is a portable document format which allows us to share the documents which are not editable normally, and this is quite popular for sharing the documents over the internet. For now, we will select the Word document, which is the format for Microsoft Word 2007 and later. Now click on Save button and you'll see that your document is saved with the name My Document, and that name appears on the title bar. Now close the Word application by clicking on Close button.